Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly use Meta AI in your Messenger. Recently launched this new AI model, but if you not found this video for you, first go to Play Store, then update your Messenger. If you have already updated, just open this software, then you can see here are no Meta AI available right now. You have a technical problem, then click on this 3-minute dot. You can see this is setting button, just click here, then again go on the end of the moment, then click on report technical problem, again click on report anyway, then again click on include it. Then here are you can type a small letter. Hi Meta team, my Messenger account Meta Messenger Meta AI, this option not showing, but I wanna just add here AI. Okay, this option not showing, but I want to get this option, so please help me adding this option to my account. Best regards. After writing this, just click on send. Then now Meta team as soon as possible contact you. I think it will be fixed as soon as possible. So this is the method how you can use Meta AI on your Messenger. If you did not found right, this is the right way how to get this feature. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.